Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training. Today we want to work on this exercise of how to place conduits. So we made our filters and everything in the previous assignments. So now we're going to actually place those conduits. So anyway, I'm using the Revit Architecture 2023 for electrical workers from Elise Moss. It's a pretty good book. So anyway, this is a panel we have here, and what to do to place conduit. You want to select this, and here you'll see this little connector. You want to right click there. You want to draw from a face. And so here's the face of the conduit now, and this little dimension here. Let's call. We want to place this, say, 6 inches from that edge. So we want to go and just place a 6 here. So that's 6 inches over, and then we want to select finish connection. So we have finished the connection here, and then we want to have a 4-inch diameter that we have, and we want to make this one emergency high 408 277 OH. So I'm going to take this down 3'6". Let's go down there. 3'6", and then come across and just stop it right about there. Okay, now here we want to select this fitting here. And we want to go here and we want to make this let's see, conduit elbow. We want to select this as plain PVC to emergency high UG. There. Okay. So now, moving on, we're going to select this guy again, this panel, and right click, draw from conduit face, and this one is going to be moved over. Let's see, what did it say here? We're going to go over on this one from the left. Let's say 1'6" here. So we'll select this. We'll go 1 space 6. Okay, and then here we'll finish again. Now this one's going to be let me see which this is going to be. This is going to be our emergency low. So we're going to go with emergency low. It's going to be the 120 OH. And we're going to take this down to 4'6". We'll come across here. And there. Now we'll cancel out of that, and then we'll select the fitting again. I want to just cancel out of that, and I want to select this guy here. In a standard fitting, I'm going to go down to emergency low. Yep, PVC emergency low UG. And there you go. And then here we want to select again, right click, Draw conduit from face. And this one, we want to make this 2'6" from the corner, from the left corner there. We want to go 2'6". Hey guys, please subscribe if you have it. Helps you make videos like this. Then we want to finish that guy. And this one is going to be our normal low 120. Let me go here, normal low 120 108 So we're going to go down here and drop this guy down 5'6". And we'll go straight across here. And then we'll pick up this one here. Go down to our elbows. Normal low. Okay, do I have a normal low, emergency line, normal high? Okay. I don't have a normal low there. Oh, there it is. Normal low UG. There. As you can see, it's dashed too, right? That's what it's supposed to be because it's underground. We'll fix these later. So then I want to snap out of this one, grab it again here. Right click, draw conduit from face. This one will be, going to be 5'6" from the left. So here we're going to go 5'6", I think. Uh-oh, nope, sorry. Undo that. Let me see, that's 5'6". Oh, no. That should be from the left. That's going to be 3'6". Sorry. It's going to be 3'6". All right, there we go. And then we're going to finish that one. And this one is going to be our normal high OH. Let's go to normal high OH and 482.77. And this one will go down 6'6". And we'll come across here. And then we'll select our elbow here. And I'm going to make this guy let's see, this is going to be normal high UG. Right. Okay, I'm sorry, that's wrong. Okay, wait a second. This is normal high, okay. This is going to be normal. Got a little issue here. Sorry, folks. So I'm going to fix this now. Let's see. Did I have the wrong one in here? Sorry about this, guys. Just hang on. Bear with me a second here. That one's going to be the normal high for okay. Okay. I'm going to take this one out here. I'm going to just tab this together here. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to place it again. So right click, draw conduit from face here. I'm going over 3'6". Okay, and this one is going to be normal high 482.77. So I'm going to finish. And this is normal high. Okay, that's it. I had it right. Normal high 482.77 OH. So go down here. 6'6". Come across, cancel this. We'll select this guy here, and it should be normal high UG for fittings. There you go. Okay. I got something wrong with the colors there, but sorry about that. Anyway, okay, this is emergency height. Oh, my bad. This is emergency height. So I'm gonna just grab these here. You can do this. You can grab these. This is normal high. OH. There we go. Normal high OH. Now, what we can do here, we can select these. This one here, this OH, we're gonna go with UG now, underground, because it's actually underground. So we got here normal high OH, you go normal high UG. It's this one. We got normal low. We go normal low UG. We get this one here. Emergency low UG. This one here. Emergency high OH, emergency high UG. And then I want to set these to fine. And there's our conduits. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you got something out of this. Please subscribe. So this is how you place conduit, and these are the conduits that we used in our previous exercise. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Be safe and bye.